Okay, in this lecture we are going to watch what is function. A function is a miniature coding environment where we can able to design and perform a task. Okay, first declaring a function. Declaring a function. So how do you declare a function? You need to use def keyword first, then function name. The function name may be anything. Here I am just using hello. Then parenthesis, after that colon, then inside the function I am just simply printing the statement hello world. Okay, now so this is how I declare a function. After declaring, I need to call the function. Once I call the function only, the function will activate and do what are the function inside. Okay, so here I am just calling my function like this. Okay, running my file hello world. If I didn't mention hello, call the function, it will do nothing because the function is not called. Until the function call, it will won't do what are the function statements. Okay, once you declare the function, you need to call the function. Then function with single argument. Function with single argument. Passing a single argument on the function. First of all, def keyword, then function name, then argument. The argument name also anything. Okay, while using inside the statement, you need to use the same value which you are using for the argument. Okay, here hey print hey comma arg. So here I am just used arg as a keyword. Here also I need to use arg only. Okay, because the value is passing through arg. Now calling a function, here I need to pass a value. Okay, name equal to Naren. Now calling a function and passing an argument to this function. This argument take the value Naren. Okay, now running my file, here you could see hey Naren. Okay, now function with multiple argument. Function with multiple argument. For the multiple argument, you can able to pass a more than one multiple argument in a function. Okay, here I am just using two different arguments, a comma b, then print f string the multiplication of a and b is a cross b. Okay, the multiplication of a and b is a cross b. Here on the multiple function name, I am just passing the value 5 comma 9. Saving my file and running. The multiplication of 5 and 9 is 45. Okay, I could able to send more than one argument in a function. You could manually ask a value from the user using input function. Okay, multiple input, enter value 1. Then on the input, it will normally on a string format. You need to convert to the integer format. Okay, so you need to use the type conversion option. Here integer input, enter the value of 1. Same like here, integer input, enter the value 2. Okay, now running my file, here it was asking my first value is 7, second value is 6. 7 cross 6 is 42. Okay, you could manually able to enter your input. Okay, then function with return statement. Okay, here the function is returning a value. Function with return value. Okay, not a statement, value. Def 1, that is equal to nothing here, return coder033. Here I am just declared a function. Now I need to call the function. At here you need to note one thing. Here the one function will hold the value coder033. Okay, we need to take a copy a value to a variable name. Okay, here res result, that is equal to one function. Now what are the statement has been returning on the one function will save on the resident variable name. Okay, res variable name. Now I am just printing res. Here you could see coder033. Okay, this is how you use a return statement. Okay, while using return statement you need to save a value on different variable name. I'm just using a return statement by division function. Okay, here division, that is equal to return f string of the multiplication, sorry, the division of a and b is division of a and b is a by b. Okay, here I'm just passing a value 9 to 3 div. Okay, saving my file, and here you need to save the value on a variable name. After that print the variable name res1. Okay, saving my file. Here you could see the division of 9 and 3 is 3.0, which is on the floating value. Here I could able to ask a value from user also. Div, enter the value 1 is 18, enter the value 2 is 5. Here you enter the value is 18. Okay, here I need to store the value on a variable name, then print the variable name res2. Okay, now running my file, enter the value 1 is 18, enter the value 2 is 5. The value is, the result is 3.6. Okay, using a return statement. After that, function with conditional statement. Function with conditional statement. Function with conditional statement. For the conditional statement, def power, that is equal to a comma b. Okay, then if a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0, I need to return a result a to the power of b. Okay, after that op, that is equal to op, that is equal to, yeah, perfect, that is equal to power and print op. Saving my file and running. It was asking a first value 5, second value 5, the result is 3125. 5 to the multiplication of 5 time. Okay, 5 power 5 is 3125. You could able to use a conditional statement inside a function also. I'm just using another example to find odd or even. Okay, odd or even. To find it odd or even, def value that is equal to x, def value that is equal to x, if x divisible by 2 equal to 0, I need to print the statement even number. Then if x divisible by 2 equal to 1, I need to print odd number. After that, passing a value through the user input. Okay, here I'm just commenting this. I'm simply declaring 18. Okay, even number. If I change the value to 1, okay, it is a odd number. After that, global and local variable. Global and local variable. The value of a is 5. I'm just printing the value of a. After that, def vname is a function. Here, printing the value a. Okay, simply using print a. Okay. Now running my file. So here I need to call my function vname. Vname is a function. Now running my file, on both outside the function and inside the function the value is 5, because inside the function I didn't declare any variable name as a. So it take a reference global value to the function. If I write a value a that is equal to 6 inside the function, now printing a statement. Okay, running my file, int. Now running my file, here you could see 5, 5 and 6. Why means I called function name after. Okay, here I am just calling my function name before printing statement. Now the result could be 5, 6, 5. Why means this is the value of a in the global. So first I am just printing a global statement value. After that I am just call the function. Inside the function the value of a is 6. Now I am just printing the value is printed 6. After the function process, I am just again printing the value of a. So here the value 5 is printed. What if I write a function before declaration? Here you could see local variable a referred before the assignment, because the value a has been used inside the function, but we are used the variable name as for the different process. Okay, so here the variable name, I'm just printing the value before initiating the value. On that time we can able to use a global variable value, but there is a problem. If I write global a, global, oh god, if I write global a and run my file, the first two value will be 5 and second two value will be 6. Here coming to a function, here you could see the value of a is 5. Then on the first printing statement the value is 5. Here I am just assigning the variable name a to value 6. So it was printing the value 6. The fourth 6 is surprising element, because here you are reassigning a global variable name a with a different value. Whenever inside the function, if you use global variable name and use some other function things, the value will be changed. Here the value of a is 6. I'm just reassign the value 6 to the variable name a. So here also it take the value 6. Okay, now it will not print the value 5. Okay, this is what global variable and this is a local variable. Okay, while using the global function, you need to be aware. Inside the function, if you reassign a different value for the same variable name, you can't able to take the old values. Okay, so this is what global and local variable. Now we are going to see argument. We already saw a single and multiple argument. This is a different kind of argument. For that I am just taking a tourist example. Here country comma place, country comma place, and here print f string place was located in country. Place was located in a country. After that, tourist function, then passing a variable. The first thing is a country France and place is a Paris. Okay, now running my file, Paris was located in France. What is this called as? Means this is called positional argument, because the position is same on the function name as well as passing element. Positional argument. If I write tourist, that is equal to Rome comma Italy. Saving my file and running. Here you could see Italy was located in Rome. So this is non-positional argument because the position is wrong. Non-positional argument. Okay, this is non-positional argument. Now tourist equal to country equal to Italy, then place that is equal to Rome. Okay, this is what called as a keyword argument. Okay, here I am just saying for that keyword the value will be this. Okay, this is called keyword argument. Okay, shoot, what happened? Keyword argument. Now I'm just changing the value. Tourist place equal to place that is equal to Tokyo and country that is equal to Japan. So this is on wrong order, but I am just using keyword. Okay, keyword argument. It will print on the current statement. Okay, Rome was located in Italy. Here you could see Tokyo was located in Japan, even though I'm just misplaced the argument values. Okay, so this is positional, non-positional, keyword argument. Now we are going to watch the default argument. Okay, for that, def tourist underscore one, here country that is equal to earth, then place that is equal to all places, place that is equal to all places. Now print f string in country comma place was heaven. Okay, in country, here simply calling my function name alone to see whether it was take a default values or not. Okay, here you could see in earth all places are heaven. Here I didn't send any argument value, so it was take some default values. If I write tourist 1, then country that is equal to India, saving my file and running. India, in India all places are heaven. Okay, again tourist 1 place equal to Krabi, saving my file and running. In earth Krabi was heaven. Now I'm just sending a multiple value tourist 1 that is equal to country Indonesia, then place equal to Bali. In Indonesia Bali was heaven. Okay, this is what a default argument. Okay, so the keyword, so positional, non-positional, keyword and default argument. Now args and kwargs. So args and kwargs is nothing but you are sending more than, so when there is n number of values, you can't able to create a variable means argument name for all those values. You can use args as a keyword to take all the values, to take all the passing values. Okay, here def alpha, to use args just write any variable name. Before that you need to mention star then arg. Okay, here I am just taking val as a argument input value, then print the type of val, then print alphabet or comma val. Okay, alphabet or comma val. Here alpha passing a value a comma b comma c, c comma d comma e. Okay, I'm just passing 5 different values, saving my file and running. Here you could see alpha type of val is a tuple and alphabets are a b c d e. Okay, in args it take input value as a tuple value. Okay, now if I write def 1 that is equal to I need first value as a normal argument. Then after the first value, all the values should be on a tuple or more than one values. Okay, here args as a input, print type of a comma type of a comma type of args, type a comma type arg, again print a comma args. Okay, on 1 I'm just passing a value 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. I'm just sending 5 different values. Here you could see the first value is alone integer. If that is a string, it will store str. Then after that, all the value it take as a tuple value. Here you could see 1 alone in a normal integer, 2 3 4 5 on the tuple format. Okay, now kwarg. Now kwarg. For the kwarg, you need to use 2 stars. For a single tuple value, you can use arg. If the value in dictionary, you could use kwargs. Okay, so here def x that is equal to star star kwargs star star kwargs. I'm just printing the type of kwargs, then printing kwarg. Passing a value x that is equal to on the function, inside the function use braces. After that, here I think no braces should come. The value of a equal to 1 comma b equal to 2 comma c equal to 3. Okay, the value of a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3. It take all the values as a dictionary. Okay, and the type of input value is also a class dict. Okay, and finally def all, then here language comma on the single argument topic comma and for the dictionary tutor. Okay, then print type of language comma language, then print type of topic comma topic, then print type of tutor comma tutor. Type of tutor comma tutor. Okay, now all is a function. The first argument is Python, the second argument is generator, the third argument is iterator, the fourth argument is decorator. Okay, and fifth argument that is equal to name equal to Narayanan, then experience that is equal to 3. Okay, I'm just sending a different value as an input. Now running my file. Here you could see the first value taking as a string input, the second 3 values taking as a tuple, generator, iterator, decorator, and third dictionary name equal to Narayanan and experience is 3 years. Now let's summary. Function is the miniature coding environment where we can able to design and perform a task. Okay, declaring function with single argument, then function with multiple argument, return statement. While you returning a value, you need to store a value on a variable name. Okay, then function with conditional statement and argument, positional, non-positional, keyword argument and default argument. Args and kwargs. Args is a tuple, kwargs is a dictionary. Okay. On next lecture we are going to watch lambda function.